Welcome to my Scottish garden. Today will be harvest apples and pears. This one is our golden delicious tree and was planted 3 years ago. We have one full basket, much more than last year, and it's looking pretty good. Okay, some small defects, what will we eat first, but the rest is looking okay. We put the apples in this basket with holes because that I saw at my parents back to Romania, and will wait to see how much we have for this year harvest. Oh, we have 3.8 kilograms. Not bad for the third year. Now we will do 2 pear trees. Follow me. I don't know which kind of pear is. These trees was planted before we moved here. This one is from the first tree. We go to check how many kilograms we have. And after that, we go for the second tree. Wow, from first tree we have 4 kilograms and 300 grams. Much better than first 2 years. Probably with these pears, when we'll be ready to eat, we'll be share with our friends and we'll do some pies. After picking, we will wait around 1 week to be ready to eat. This basket is from the second tree. I think it's much more than first one. Let's check. So my guess was correct. We have 6 kilograms and close to 400 grams. Much better than first one and the last 2 years. So for the first tree we have 4 kilograms and something. From the second one 6 kilograms and something. So we have 10 kilograms of pear and with 3 kilograms of apples. We have around the 13 kilograms of fruits from 3 trees. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, comment and like, and don't forget to give me your hype.